The foundation is one where we're aligning our thoughts with a biomagnetic scientific application in energy. So it's conscious living meets biomagnetic science. I think it's very limited when we just apply that one. Let me just depend on the science.
Yes.
The foundation really is about understanding ourselves.
Yeah.
That's what the recalibration system is. The whole point of why I developed this recalibration system was to show people just how easy it is to follow a framework, to understand yourself, apply magnets, and get phenomenal results.
I think that should be our primary goal, is to be the creators of the lives that we want to live, right? Take responsibility for that.
The information is so powerful, primarily for yourself, but you'll realize that this information is something that you can use with others, so it really is for absolutely everybody.